Hello and welcome to an exciting journey into the world of fonts. Now, fonts are the unsung heroes of design. They set the tone, convey emotions and deliver messages in a way that nothing else can. The right font can take a design from meh to wow in an instant. Now, the issue with fonts is that it can be very time consuming to find them, and especially find the right one. Now, personally, one of the frustrating parts of the design process is looking for and finding the perfect font. When I'm excited about a piece of design, I don't like hitting the pause button on my creative stride just to find a font. And believe me, I've spent hours looking for the perfect font. So finding the right typeface for a project can be a grind. So if, like me, you're a designer, love typography and are looking for a cool, simple and fast way to get inspiration and save some time, then I have a game changer that I hope will help with your creative process. I think you're gonna like this one. Now, in my experience, I have used lots of fonts, both free and paid for, but today we are lucky enough to have a wide range of top quality free fonts we can explore and use in our work. So today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to something I've been working tirelessly on for months, and what originally started as a personal project has now become something I want to share with you. Today, I want to introduce you to the GDS Font Book. So let's get into it. So the GDS Font Book is a web portal I have set up with over 1,000 curated free fonts. Yes, I have trawled the internet so you don't have to. The GDS Font Book contains a growing library of over 10 key categories with tons of free fonts to access. So far, the categories consist of sans serif, serif, slab serif, rounded, stencil, black letter, distressed, script, brush, display, chunky, hand, condensed and extended. And we also have some design style fonts here as well. In each category, I have curated some of the best free fonts, Google fonts and Adobe fonts I have discovered. So if you're working on a project and you have a type of font you want to use in mind, you can just jump into the GDS Font Book, click on a category and get some easy and fast inspiration. Whether you're looking for something elegant, bold or quirky, we've got you covered. No more hunting through endless websites, it's all here in one place. With the GDS Font Book, you can scroll through the curated library of fonts, categorized by typeface styles. Simply click the category, scroll down, find a font you're interested in, click and boom, you'll be taken straight to the source to download. Really guys, it couldn't be simpler. But wait, there's more. This is just the beginning. This is now going to be an ongoing project that I'll be committed to, continually expanding and enhancing this. From now on, you can expect regular updates, fresh fonts, and even more categories to explore as I develop and add them. And if you want to get involved and help grow the font book, you can send me an email with your recommendation and I'll be sure to add it to the collection. Simply scroll down to the bottom of the homepage and click to send me an email, include the link, and I can add it. So whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting your creative journey, the GDS Font Book is here to help, inspire, simplify, and supercharge your design process. Be sure to check it out and also bookmark the page to come back to it in future. Link is in the description. So, are you ready to take your design projects to the next level? Are you ready to save time and get inspired with the GDS Font Book? Check it out and explore the best free fonts online. Well, thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoy the GDS Font Book and it helps you out as much as it helps me. So until my next video, unleash your creativity and I'll see you next time.